Hello everyone. Today I'll take you all through a body contouring procedure for a 45-year-old gentleman. He was weighing close to 120 kilos initially and decided to go on a weight loss pathway, and then he followed strict diet and exercise program. He gradually started losing weight, and during the course of weight loss he did undergo liposuction for contouring certain areas. We've done liposuction for the abdomen, back, during the process of weight loss. And once he reached his ideal weight, now we are planning to do a skin excision procedure. Basically, we plan to do a tummy tuck for him today, but not a complete belt lipectomy or a belt excision of the skin, but to remove all the folds in the lower abdomen. Not a classical abdominoplasty like we do for women, but for men with massive weight loss with certain modification as per their body contour. We will be focusing more on skin excision and little bit also tightening the internal lax anterior abdominal wall, and then also do touch-up liposuction for certain areas where we still feel a better contouring can be given. So do join me today to witness a body contouring procedure in a 45-year-old male after massive weight loss. So this is the kind of skin laxity you see after a post massive weight reduction. So today we are going to do this young gentleman who's lost more than 30 kilos, and we are going to do a abdominoplasty. We've already done liposuction before, so we're going to do almost contour and remove all the excess skin, and then little bit of touch-up lipo on the axilla is what we are planning today. So it's a very safe procedure, 3 days recovery time, and then they would be back to work in about 2 weeks time and can get back to all their routine gym and exercise, all activities in about 6 weeks time. The first set, we will just delineate his navel, and we leave that in place so that after we remove this loose skin, we will bring this upper flap and stitch it lower down, and then we'll bring the navel out in the same place. The umbilicus, so we leave it in place and it will remain in its place after all the skin is tightened. So we finished doing the central plication. We will do some lateral plication to give a better contour, and after that the skin plaques are approximated and it will be closed. Then we touch up with some lipo, give a better contour in the axilla and a little bit in the flanks if required.
have just seen abdominoplasty procedure for a post-massive weight loss patient. So abdominoplasty procedure was indicated in this patient as he had lost a tremendous amount of weight, and it resulted in a loose sagging skin, especially in the lower abdominal area. Now following the surgery, the patient will have to be admitted in hospital for a minimum of 48 to 72 hours. During the first 24 hours, the patient will be advised to have complete bed rest, and he'll be placed in a special flexed position in the bed where there is no undue tension or pressure on the operated abdominal site. After the first 24 hours, the patient is slowly assisted to mobilize and ambulate with the help of the other healthcare staff, and if the urine output and his fluid balance is satisfactory, the urinary catheter is also removed. The patient is also taught how to do spirometry and also taught to do breathing exercises following the abdominoplasty. During this time in the hospital also, the first dressing is done, and the abdominal surgery site is inspected for any complications like fluid collection or blood collection or any problem in the blood supply of the flap. After 48 hours, if the patient is experiencing good bowel movements, the diet is changed from a liquid diet to more soft solid diet. The patient is advised to more frequently mobilize, and if there is no complications and the general condition of the patient has improved, he can be fit to discharge after 72 hours. The patient is advised to wear the compression garment at home for at least 6 weeks. He is also advised not to lift heavy weights or do any kind of resistance training or any kind of intense activity. Following discharge, the patient will need to come for frequent follow-ups, and he will require to wear the garment for at least a period of 6 weeks. The final results of the surgery can be seen after waiting for a minimum of 3 months. So abdominoplasty is indicated in both men and women who have undergone post-massive weight loss and are experiencing loose and sagging skin. Also in post-pregnancy, where there is a stretching of the abdominal muscles, and also she has excess loose sagging skin. To conclude, abdominoplasty is a very safe surgery if performed by board certified plastic surgeons and on a very well equipped center.